Welcome to iScope Media. We bring you the latest political news from across the country. Do subscribe to our YouTube channel to get the latest updates. The Foreign Contribution Act registration of nearly 6,000 non-governmental organizations has ceased to operate from January 1st as the Ministry of Home Affairs refused to renew their application or the NGOs did not apply for one. An MHA official said on Saturday that it declined to renew the FCRA registration of 179 NGOs, while 5,789 associations did not apply for a renewal before the 31st deadline. The prominent names whose registration was not renewed include Oxfam India and Missionaries of Charity, a Catholic religious congregation set up by the Noble Mother Teresa due to adverse inputs. Oxfam India, that works for economic and gender justice among Adivasis, Dalits, Muslims and women, stands to lose access to over rupees 62 crore in its designated bank account. The NGO that claims to have helped 10 lakh people in Assam, Bihar, Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand, Orissa and Uttar Pradesh in the past 1 year had also transferred over rupees 4 crore to 140 small NGOs and educational institutions before September 2020. The ministry had earlier said that the NGOs whose request for renewal was turned down will not be eligible to either receive or utilize the foreign contribution in their designated bank accounts. Well, the validity of the Foreign Contribution Act registration of those NGOs that were expiring between September 29, 2020 and September 30, 2021 were given an extension till December 31st, 2021 to apply for renewal. FCRA registration is a mandatory requirement to receive foreign funds. On Friday, the ministry extended the validity till March 31st, 2022. Provided the renewable request has not been refused or the NGOs applied within 6 months of the expiry of their registration and before December 31st deadline. On Saturday, the updated list of NGOs whose registration deemed to cease mentioned the names of 5,933 NGOs. Till Friday, the total number of active FCRA associations as per MHA's website was 22,762, which now stands at 16,829, as many as 5,933 NGOs ceased to operate. The MHA official stated that the total number of NGOs up for renewal during this period stood at 18,778, while only 12,989 applied. According to Dhaval Udani, founder of Dana Mojo, an online payment platform for NGOs, the number of NGOs whose FCRA ceased to operate doubled overnight. Several NGOs could not complete the renewal process due to the pandemic and the amendments to the FCRA Act in 2020 that introduced other stringent compliance measures. Among the changes that were introduced, operationalizing a designated FCRA bank account with the SBI main branch in Delhi was made compulsory. In an affidavit filed in the Supreme Court in November, the MHA said 19,000 NGOs had opened the account with the SBI in New Delhi. Well, now stay with us. We shall bring you all the latest updates on this. This is Aparna Sundar reporting for iScope Media.